Heyo, what's up? Happy October. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to the stream. What's up, Froggy? Trent, Midnight, Mr. Dandy, GTYL, good morning. Miguel, Paul, Griffin, Dragos, Dagon, Conrad, Eddie, Coolio, Slee, Trade Hour, what's up, yo? Toronto, what's up? How you doing, Willem? Pedro, good morning. Is blackberry a good buy? Well, it's like I mentioned yesterday. Raspberries, they're at like $3.50. At the grocery store, I buy them. $6? No. $5? Probably not unless I'm really desperate. So if you can get blackberries for around the same price, I'd say go for it. Michael, hello. Mike, good morning. Riley, Steak from Jake Farm, what's up? Christopher, Alan. Toronto Trader gonna go karting for your brother's birthday. Nice, sounds fun. What's up, Tom? Let's make some money today. Kevin, good morning. Pietro, good afternoon. So yesterday was kind of garbage, huh? Last day of the quarter. Hopefully today we get some tradable action. Let's see, we're still kind of in the middle of the range here. This is what is it? What kind of chart is this? For some reason it's a 4-minute chart. I don't know why, I never Here's a 90-minute chart. So pretty much just been sitting in this little choppy nothingness for a little bit. We do have some news today, this morning. Keep an eye out. 15 minutes after open and then top of the hour. Here's the daily on NAS. Seems like it's a pretty interesting spot here. It's either going down or up. That's my prediction. I feel pretty strongly about that. I mean, I'm talking about the next few days. Because yes, sideways is an option, but it's definitely going up or down. So. Pretty bold, I know. But Rachel Glada says, cool boys like the stream. Well, if you want to be a cool boy, as deemed by Rachel Glada, I would go ahead and like the stream before we get into the open so you can have a good trading day. Midnight says, tighten your seatbelt, guys. Today's a momentum day, but don't tell anyone. Well, I think a lot of us are pretty hungry for a momentum day. SPY is at, chilling around all-time highs again. NAS, quite a ways away. All-time highs on NAS is, what, 21,200-ish? And we're at 20,000, not 200. 20,000, well, 20,250, not 20,000, 21,250, excuse me. Anyways, hoping for some scalps. And if it's something that's a good setup, I might go a little heavier. Don't tell Joe. Might go a little heavier. I'm just kind of tired of sitting around this combine here, so let's make some progress, you know? Alrighty. Market's opening up in less than a minute. Grace, good morning. Hardest interview you ever had yesterday? Well, look, if it doesn't shake out, it sounds like you won't have additional responsibilities, so you can still be mod of this stream. I hope you get the job. Okay. Market's open. Let's have a day. What's up, Bryce?
I'm feeling pretty good.
Oh yeah. Pretty good. So quick move up to VWAP here, quick reject. ES moving down. What's up, Ariane? Parsha, what's up? Broker, so I'm trading the Top Step Combine, so Top Step is the broker in this case. But for my real money account, I use Edge Clear. All right, ES moving pretty vigorously off of the open down to previous all-time highs. All right, swift move down to the pivot point there on ES. Sweeping overnight lows on NAS. Down to the pivot on NAS as well. Grace cut this whole move down. Well done. What's up, Joe? You were supposed to hear that. Wow, Miguel, 60 points for you. Well done. Quick flush off the open, and then a little bounce would be good. If we just go straight into a bearish trend day, we'll have to adapt here. I mean, ES is just stacking some red bars right now. There's 162 midnight. To the tick. When would you pay out from Top Step? Once you make a couple thousand, I'd probably take a payout. Even if it's like $500 or something. know what's causing the drop? Aggressive selling. I don't know beyond that. Pretty nice job so far. We're at 117, 118 points. Could be some global stuff going on here with Iran and Israel, something like that. Maybe Iran's gonna do a missile attack in Israel, something like that. So that could cause this selling. Strike from port workers on the East Coast. Sure. Okay, we got 20,100 here and 1 hour demand just underneath there. VIX is spiking off the open with all this, with this move lower. Is there a way to connect our trader to Motivewave? They don't need to connect to each other. Just turn off market data on our trader and you can run both at the same time. Currently 164 point move here. Into my demand zone. Okay, Parshav, you have a hypothetical here. Let's say I pass my top step eval. So I have a 50K live funded account. I profit on it 53K-ish, till 53K-ish. Does my new drawdown become 51, or does it stay under 50? So, good question. Grizz up over 3K, nice job with shorts. Let me think about, I'm trying to remember, Parshav. Your drawdown, I think, will follow you up at the close. I don't want to get this wrong here. I believe it will follow by... Hang on, I just want to double check. It's always a 2K gap? Okay. I'm trying to remember if it stops at one point. Just took the retest of VWAP to 0.80. I don't know what retest of VWAP you found, but good for you. VIX coming in at $20 here. Here, Parshoff, I'm gonna post a video. This is from Tops Up. That tells you about the maximum loss limit. Okay, this says once the maximum loss limit reaches the initial starting balance, it won't change for the remainder of the account. So that means if you're to make 2,500 the next day and your account balance is 52,500, your max loss limit will move to 50K and stay there. So it stops at 50K. That's the answer. Sorry. It's been a while. It's been a while because last time I had XFA, it just went up in smoke real fast, so I didn't even have a chance to think about it. Yeah, we have news in 4 minutes, which is manufacturing PMI, and then we have JOLTS and manufacturing, the ISM manufacturing PMI at the top of the hour. Yep, I'm aware. Thank you. Thanks for looking out. Yes, there are some news items here. Yeah, TJ, I mentioned that earlier. So coming into previous day low, right at 20,056-ish. Okay, let's see if we find some support here, 1 hour demand. Again, news in about a minute and a half. Yeah, VIX took off. Shot up to $20. Any trades in personal account today? Maybe. I haven't taken any yet. Didn't take any yesterday, but actually, no, I did take some yesterday. Small red day yesterday, I think. But we'll see. See if something sets up. That looks good. There's very few orders on the DOM because we're right in front of news here. 10 seconds till news, so the books always clear out. And there's some news. Number came in pretty much right around the forecast, so nothing crazy yet. how to interpret changes in the VIX in relationship to NAS. Well, generally, like, if you're getting like a pretty big move on ES, for example, or say we're down 1% on ES, and NAS is not really getting off the deck here, it's not really lifting higher. My thoughts that the short side might be short-lived, because you really do want to see VIX have an inverse correlation for the most part. So. Thoughts on swing trading, or is that it's a decent idea for a lot of people, because a lot of people can't actively be in front of the charts every morning. So swing trading is fine if you know what you're doing. Low of yesterday before reversal? Maybe, Adrian. We're just a few points away. I say a few points, just because of how fast we've moved already, but currently about 30 points away from previous day low. See if we can get the move down. Okay, we poked it pretty much, down to 59 there. Double bottom on YM potential, yeah. It's decent looking. Okay, there's the sweep. Previous day lows. And it is a nice knife. Such nice moves off the open here. Alrighty, what else we got below here? Not a lot. If we do continue lower, I would watch the 950s. YM is actually holding the lows there. Holding that double bottom for the time being. We're gonna trade Dow today. I wouldn't bank on it. Dang, Grizz, you wake up at 3:30 in the morning every day, dude? How do you even function? What time do you go to bed? You go to bed at like 8? That's crazy. All right, new lows. Bit late. What have I missed, Dom? Well, pretty strong selling. I think geopolitical news having some effect. Maybe some strike at the ports with workers there. So then we have news again. You know, in about 8.5 minutes, we have Jolt's job openings and ISM manufacturing PMI. Feel like I missed the move today, huh? Yeah, no. I mean, anyone who wasn't short yet feels that way. So it's best just to be patient. Yeah, we got the movement now. You know, it's just right off the open, so it's just like, well, do you chase the move during opening volatility? Do you try to catch a reversal, or do you just be patient, wait for a better setup? So I'm being patient. Do I mark the PDL and PDH manually? Yeah, there's an indicator, but I also mark them. There's lines drawn and they don't necessarily extend. I could probably change it, but yeah, I like to mark them manually. So day trader, just super scalper now, 4 points on NAS. That's cool. If it works for you, that's yeah, that's fine. I almost just want to close my eyes and sell. What did Dow end up doing? Still holding. Good for you, Dow. Good for you. I wonder if Dow would be the better one to catch a reversal on. If there is a reversal. Nice update, Cherry. Nice. All right, cracking lower here. Here's the next mark. It's the previous week low, 953. There shouldn't be a lot of slippage, really, with one contract on NAS. Like maybe a tick. The limit orders, yeah, that should help. Okay, news in 3 minutes. I'm a little tempted to try this long. Two minutes till news. Rachel says, weird that there's only 44 cool boys in the chat today. Guess everyone's glued to their charts. No promo code for Top Step, sorry. Do you have a link though, if you want to support the channel? You can use the link when you sign up, but I don't think they have any promos going on. Okay, 30 seconds till news. Hey, Jen, you're long since 99. Oh, pretty nice entry. Hopefully news can give us a little push up. But yeah, fail here, like Joe's saying. I'm getting short, yeah. Let's see, here's news. Spiking down and buying up. Pretty volatile. Very nice. Nice push. All right, might be back down. Might be. I'm gonna try shorting here. It's 2 micros. Not the size I thought it would be, to be honest. Kill the trade. I didn't want to be on micros. What's up, Ma? How you doing? I'll try the short again. This time on a mini. What did I think about the 6 reversal? I didn't even notice it. Did not even know. Nice job, Subday Trader. Might kill this. Taking that off. I just don't really like how it keeps getting bought up there. All right. Maybe we have some longs in store here. Here's a test of previous day lows. Tom, you're up 132. These days that's crushing it for me. Well, good job. Like this turnaround spot here in NAS right at 20K. Interesting. I don't know. Down might be the move, guys. ES coming into its little double bottom here. Don't really want to pull the trigger right at the lows to, you know, get into a new short. Yeah, TJ, that's a good take profit. The ABC level on my chart's at 50, like 55 and a half, so front running that by 1.5, smart. Like it's good take profit. I just kind of wish I would have gotten the move short that I took instead of this little goofing around we did. I mean, I have to think we do get the push lower here. I'm about to just take a short anyway. Okay, I'm selling short. 2 minis. You like 953, Grizz? That's this actual tick right there, I think. Nice push. Nice move. Bounce at the pivot here. Boom, baby. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Eddie locking it up on my first day of this XFA, up 1K. Well done, Eddie. I mean, it's a great day to start your XFA is today as opposed to like yesterday or Friday. So well done, Eddie. Pleased with that trade there. Up 1600. Nice selling continues. Next level I have is 867-ish. Joe's eating good on his short now. He keeps adding on the way down. Well done. Froggy's back from his shower. All right, Froggy. See if you find any opportunity here on the charts. A67 is it's a demand, and it's also 90-minute demand, and it's also the S3 pivot. Yeah, I still like shorts here. 1OP's crossing back down, and you know, we're not even down 2% yet. Yeah. Still definitely could easily continue dropping. I mean, that's not out of the question. Eddie, as long as you followed your plan, you did not exit too early. If you got spooked and just wanted to grab profit real quick, maybe you did exit too early. But I followed my plan, and was it too early? No. I mean, no, it wasn't, because I went level to level essentially. So it was a retest of the low day 20K, and I sold short to my target. So I didn't sell early, even though I could have made more money. Drop the Addy for the barbecue today. I can catch a flight and be there in 3 hours or so. We'll do it in Garfield Park under the L. Would be a good time. Yeah, sorry Twisty, I don't know what's going on with the code, but we'll get it sorted. I used your code. I used your code, yeah. I was like, thanks for the free giveaway. Suckers. No, I think it's attached to his email. Gotcha, Twisty. What's up, Cookie Jar? How you doing? Nice move. Charlie wants to know, do you follow a clearly defined strategy / plan, or do you tend to trade more on instinct and based on your experience of the markets? It's definitely a combination of things going on. I'm trying to adapt to price action, right? If I'm a price action scalper, I want to be able to adapt to either side, whatever one the market is telling me the momentum is in is the one I want to trade. So there's certain setups I like to trade that I look for. But I don't necessarily go into the day with like okay, I'm looking, I would like to short 20,040 down to 19,960. I do have zones that I'm like, all right, let's look for some selling at this spot here. Let's see if we can, sorry, I'm managing a trade right now, hang on. Trying to grab this short on my personal account here. Nice. I mean, your strategy could be as simple as like, hang on. Strategy can be as simple as like buying a pullback if we start uptrending. You know, it doesn't have to be like super complicated. See if we can get the crack down here lower. I shorted 950 in my personal account. About to take profit. Nice little bag there. We might just crack lower though. What do you say? We going lower, guys? Just things are so heavy. I don't think there's any reason to expect anything else for the time being. Yeah, I watch VIX all the time, TJ. I just glanced at it right before I read your comment. Definitely keeping an eye on that. It's staying elevated, so I would probably stick with shorts. Crazy like 860, as do I. $15-minute is pretty gnarly.
This is only the beginning.
All right. Time to sell this here. All right, let's see if we find some support here. A little double bottom on ES. See if VIX can back off a little bit. Oh, I forgot I have the other 50K I could start trading too. So, some decent buying here. You don't want to copy the trade. The evals are the same size? I do, but the other ones are not reset yet. I have to wait, I think 2 more days. I think October 3rd they reset. But yeah, I'll copy trade those guys.
Don't want to come down. Don't want to come down. Don't want to come down.
Nice buying. Charlie, at least 4 years. What's up, Slunka? How you doing? All right, it might be a long here. How's equity trading been going, Slunka? You like it better? Vic's laying off a little bit here.
Don't want to come down. Don't want to come down. You don't want to come down. Don't want to come down.
Tan, if you want a place for news, go to financialjuice.com. Yeah, we're at Bloomberg Terminal. Very accessible. And maybe a little inverse head and shoulders going on. Let's see. Been a while since I tuned in. Have you been taking payout since? Oh, I don't know when the last time you tuned in is. But I haven't taken prop firm payout, but I have taken a withdrawal from my personal account. All right, new lows. I think Grizz, you were right on there. About short still looking good. Coming into my next level of interest, 860s. Excuse me. Nvidia pushing past its lows from Monday pre-market, looks like. All right, pushing down to 70s, into 60s maybe. See if we can get there. Alright. Pretty much at my 90-minute demand zone there. Let's look at the D1 here. Daily. Remember how I said it was gonna go up or down? Was I right or was I right? Told you. Told you. No. Let's clear some of this stuff up. This is a nice candle already. This is a decent bounce spot. Let's see what happens for the rest of the session here. Could just have a nice bearish trend day. That'd be, I mean, so far that's what we have. So. It's already a trend day, lol. Yeah. Yeah. So far, yeah. We also have been getting a lot of V bottom recoveries, which really puts an end to those trend days. But you know, with all the geopolitical stuff going on, maybe that's a little less likely. Nice, hey you. Glad to hear it. Yeah, midnight did call it from the open. It's gonna be a momentum day. Midnight's crystal ball, pretty solid. Come right into this trend line, Joe. Let's see if it breaks and holds above. I also think on days like this, you really need to have a big day since it's been so tropical lately. This is the day where, I mean, traders can make a lot of their money, right? They're preserving capital on the garbage price action days. This is days where, that's why I said I kind of wanted to size up. I was hoping we'd have a nice momentum day. So I did, and pretty good. Pretty good so far. Froggy, catch you later. Sorry, Froggy. Sorry you didn't have a great day today. What button are you pushing, Grizz? Oh. What do you mean, Joe? What comment makes or breaks it? Charlie, catch you later. You guys want to see a really legit email? Collaboration for a proposal. It's from Emma Fisher, whose email is david.press1@vip.whatever. I am part of Bumble. We've been following your platform for a long time. Okay, Emma Fisher from Bumble. Why is your email davidpress@notbumble.com? Yeah, that looks legit. HBY Motive Wave, it's because it's the best futures-friendly platform for Mac that runs natively on a Mac computer. That's why I started using it, and I really like it. I sent that email. It was meant for someone else, sorry. Oh, what he said, save money on bad days and leverage up on strong days. Yeah. It's something Pete from One Options also mentioned. Like, there's like a handful of days of the year that traders can make like a vast majority of their money. I kind of like longs here, to be honest. I'm a little tempted to snag one. It's a risky proposition. Nice midnight. It's the price action today. It's good. Some really strong momentum to the downside, which is tradable. Definitely one of the cleanest, probably cleanest days in recent memory. Yeah, it's just like folding 70% of your hands in poker. That's exactly right. It's tight aggressive is, the common Texas Hold'em strategies. So it kind of applies to the market as well. I'm trying to trade this Tradeovate account back to life. I did exit my short at 867 3/4, which is 2 ticks off the low. It's a pretty sick exit, which is just right at pretty much at my level that I have this marked on the chart here. Shit. This looks pretty good. Pretty good to the upside. I'm a little tempted to buy this. A little tempted. Nice, Kato. I'm glad you like Motive Wave too. It's really got like everything you need, you know. Freaking heat map. Any kind of chart really you want. Footprint charts, whatever. How much do you rely on volume? Not much. All right. I'll try this long. The heat map settings, I think this might be a template that Edge Pro X, you know, the guys from Edge Clear, that they have set up. I'm in a trade now, so I could look at it a little bit later. All right, back on my entry after coming close to stopping me out here. Let's hold this uptrend. What if it needs a few ticks more of room? I'll give it a little bit more room. Just for these wicks. Maybe flagging out here for a minute. Not sure I'm gonna get it. I'm not sold on this long either, Grizz, to be honest. So I'll take the stop. Alright, stopped out of that one. Currently working on the other shoulder here for an inverse head shoulder. Let's see if we actually put that in or if we test these lows again. HP, see you later. We might just be moving down. Test these lows again. All right, well, we're just sitting here watching this, but I do have a current inverse head and shoulders. Maybe playing out here. I'm not overly convinced yet, but it's a possibility. I think I'd prefer the short side. 1 OP, Qs are about to cross down. Spy is somewhat close to crossing. Giant bear flag on the 15-minute. Wait, this thing? Top left is the 5-minute. I mean, it definitely looks bearish to me. It's hard to look at like anything else at the moment. Let's see. Let's see if Tom can scalp his long here. What's up, Gabagool? See you, Caleb. See you, Caleb. Have a good day. What's up, Mike? Doing fine, thanks. How about you? Earlier, we're getting some life and the other guys. Dow to VWAP. Had some nice VWAP test earlier. Okay. Yeah, Mike, no kidding. I was rooting for the Bills. Too bad. Yeah, halfway done. I've been, I hit halfway last week too, and then I had a couple red days, and yeah. Take some doing. Think the dogs agree. Oh, it's a tornado siren test. First Tuesday of the month at 10 a.m. Gonna make another video soon. I started a second channel specifically so I could put out more videos more often. So make sure you're subscribed over there. I could post a link. I posted a video there yesterday, some trade recaps, stuff like that. Here's my new channel. Alrighty. Sorry, guys. Boys. Let me go relax those dogs. All right. Sorry about the dogs. I got 2 of them. And they don't like strange noises. Like the voice in the sky testing the tornado siren. All right, what are we doing here? Sorry to make your dogs howl. You ever seen a tornado? I don't think so. I mean, it's been pretty crazy, like crazy winds and stuff, and the sky turns like this greenish color, but when it starts getting close, I'm always like down in a basement or something, so I don't think I've ever been that close, thankfully. Basement, what's that? I'm from Cali. Yeah. Is it still too early to drink a beer? Yeah. It'd be kind of sad just me drinking a beer alone in my office in the morning, talking to strangers on the internet. Feels sad to me. Kind of want to short this. It's just been chopping though, so it does look knifey. Yeah, people in Texas don't have basements because is this the clay soil, right? Something like that. It's not as common. You can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning. That's true. Are you watching the port strikes? No, I'm watching the charts. So, did look knifey. I think we're gonna push down here. So, kind of want to be positioned short. It's a lot to risk at this point, but maybe I'll sell 900. I never trade bull knocks, so no, I don't have any codes. Might have missed it. Oh no, here comes TVM viewers. What's up, TVM viewers? How you guys doing? The numbers do jump, Grizz. I feel like there's usually at least 60 to 100 pump. I'm gonna hold off on this order now. Still favoring the short side here. It's looking knifey around 900, and I did not want to put risk on there. Keeping an eye on my profits. That's right, Joe. I am. Taking a handful of trades. I did, I think 3 trades, 2 green, 1 red. I did take a long right here at 951 and stopped out. And then I took some shorts earlier. So this was a small little scalp. I protected myself there on the spike up, shorted again, and now we are sinking new lows on the day here on NAS. Yeah. Well, as I was saying, looked knifey. I just didn't want to get caught in this this chop here. Didn't really feel like sitting in that. But that's a nice move lower. $400 points off the open. It's a nice momentum day. Midnight, you called it. Okay. Next level I have is not for a long ass time, so maybe there's something else I just don't have marked. Maybe the 780s. Yeah, I don't really have a lot of levels until the daily demand, so I guess I would probably mark. I don't know. 840. We're coming into that right now, though, so I don't know. Really nice flush here. Very nice. Nice pat. Getting your max win unfunded. Wow. Man, beautiful. I really wish I would have just grabbed that short. Oh boy, hindsight analysis. See if I can enter a short. Maybe a retest a low daybreak. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna let me in. Carry on. Sorry you had a bad day. Overtraded. It happens to us. No, Mr. Danny, you're right. There's not a lot of likes. It's all right. People are glued to their charts. They don't have time to come over to the stream and hit the thumbs up button. They don't have time for that. Could have easily just stopped you out. Yep. Could have obviously gone the other way. I would say, why did I enter in this chop? You know, so. Crystal Ball Capital. Yep. So, ES finally hitting its 90-minute demand. We hit that on NAS earlier and bounced off of it. Still interested in shorting. It's just a heavy selling day. So I'll see if I can get in on test of these low day wicks here. It's very tempting for me to mark it in here. Try not to do it. I want a better entry. It's a lot easier to manage the trade when you have a better entry. A little quick spike up and then rejection down. Yeah, you ever mark it in anticipating like a quick break and then we just chop around, move a little higher even, and you're just like, why did I get in so low? Could have just been patient, got a better entry. Nice job, Valletta. Yo, they deleted my comment. Guillermo, what was your comment? Did you post a spammy link? Warren Buffett, I start with 5,000. Looks like we're just going to flush without getting the retest of this low day here. I think we just get the push right now. Push down. I wish I had some better targets. I don't really have any.
Let me show you something.
Sell market, yeah, I'm so tempted to, honestly. Getting the twitch. I really don't want to. Fill me at 63, let's go. I'll move it down a touch, I'll move it down. 61. $800 and 679. I like 800 as a take profit. Yeah, that's good. Especially if I can get in at 60. That'd be a 60 pointer. I think I have to sell market if I want in on this. There it goes. Womp womp. Oh, man. Time for a bathroom break, bro. Next flush lower. I have to be in short for me to want to go waste a good bathroom break and flush without me in it. I gotta at least get a piece of the action. See, on a day like today, I wouldn't be so quick to move to break even, Tom, just because you have this pretty solid trend on your side here. What's up, YouTube short clips? What's up? Trading away. Matt, sorry, our P&Ls are completely opposite. We all got red days, you know. You know, yesterday after stream, I took a couple small scalps. I think I ended the stream down 550, and I think I actually ended the day around minus 350. So I was pleased to keep yesterday. You know, again, my goal's been like keeping like the crappy price action days losses to a minimum. So I took my biggest loss on Friday. Ew, that was minus 14. Ugh, that was an oversized loss. But other than that, there are these days where, you know, plus $50. Yeah, I've been trying to keep those to a minimum. And so then when I can put in a nice green day, ideally it's like 3-4 times the size of a red day. That's like ideally what I would like. So plugging away here. Cozy Nest, what's up? Doing fine, thanks. What do you do on red days, like psychologically? Well, again, if you can keep those to a minimum and just accept the loss, it's fine. You know you're gonna take red days as a trader, so just be like, all right, well, today's a red day. Keep it small, and come back the next day. You know, after you're done trading, go work out, go move around, get some physical exertion, so it'll help you reset. Having other hobbies, having other things to do, it's good. Get your mind off it. And then, you know, by the time night rolls around, you're like looking forward to trading the next day. Do I like scary shit like horror nights? No, I do not. I don't really like horror stuff. I don't really have like childhood trauma to work through that somehow horror helps with. No, I don't really like it. Yeah, when trades aren't going anyway, best to close charts and come back the next day. Yeah, and that's been tough for me because I'm always like, all right. Those trades didn't work out. Let me just trade like this, and I'll be able to scalp back a couple hundred at a time. No, just no. You know, just throw in the towel. If I did that, you know, it really saved a lot of issues. I got robbed, Tom. Sorry to hear that. Nice little bounce here on ES. Above its low at daybreak. So, NVIDIA just bounced off of its 100-day moving average, wicked down to it, got a little bounce. But I still would probably just stay on the short side in this situation. For the long side, I'd probably want to see us get back into the 70s. So looking at RR, focus on how much edge you have statistically. For example, a half RR imply or 1-2 RR implies a break-even win rate of 33.3%. I definitely take that into consideration. Like if it's a fantastic RR, but it's a low probability trade, then it doesn't really mean much. Yes, Davis, a drop in success during certain times of day. Yes, definitely. I don't really trade afternoons very often. Cozy Nest, make sure you're following my new channel. That's for more long form trading videos. So subscribe there. I just posted a video yesterday. I posted 2 videos there. I have one scheduled to go out tomorrow. So those will be more like trading recaps, stuff maybe from stream, stuff not from stream, etc. So that's where I'll be posting more. And then, yeah, you know, I'll definitely do one on the main channel too at some point before the end of the year. ES is really doing some work here. Yeah, Davis, there's a way to rewatch my streams. If you go to playlists and then go to live streams, it's all there. Don't go to live streams, but go to playlists, and then there's an actual playlist for live streams, and that's how you can watch them. See you, Grizz. Have a good rest of your day. Okay, so here's the area I want to see us retest before. This is the 60s, a retest of low of day. Nice retest there. I'm not sure if I really am as interested in this at the moment. See some, there's a few things. I mean, looking at ES, not very exciting to short right now. Jack to the T's weapon with Apex came very close. You know, came very close to getting my 20K withdrawal. Fumbled the bag and did not get it. And, you know, I tried again. I decided to go back to Top Step. SkyJ, you copied trades by Matt, got into a hole and had to spend another couple hours getting out of it. Don't copy other traders. Because you want to be a self-sufficient trader, right? So if you look at the way Matt trades, or the way I trade, or anybody else, see if you see what we're seeing, right? And if you understand why we took the trade we took, then when you see that setup, if you like that setup, if it works for your strategy, then you can take it, and you don't need to be watching anyone live stream. You can just, you know, do what you see, and then you alone are then responsible for your trading results. And that's how you'll get better. Nice Joe with the long here. Oh, very nice. Nice buy up here. Turned around at 818. Excuse me. So you're not with, oh, this is Joe. Now Joe trades his own account. Nice pump here. Oh, that's nice pump, nice pump. This is into initial bounce low. Your setup says no long entry yet. What about you? It's definitely looking like there's a potential. The question is, do I really want it? Question is, where would I put risk? Ryan, I said I did not meet the criteria to get the payout. I was like one trade away, one small trade away from getting it, and hit some drawdown. So there's a pump above IBL and then a retest of it that held. We about to get a V bottom here. Don't copy trade me. Definitely don't copy trade me. Fudaki, thank you. Glad you like the channel. Yeah, copy my headphones. They're awesome headphones. Those you should copy. Another IBL test here. Initial bounce low is IBL. 60-minute opening range. What's your strategy success rate? I don't have a, like, my strategy is not entirely backtestable. But if you just look at my stats, it's around a 50% win rate. Kind of want to long this, but it's just not that exciting. There's a little pop. Nice pump here. Well, maybe I should have been excited about that long. Made some nice moves. Trend line. It's pretty good. pretty good. Consider buying like right here. I think Spy is hitting VWAP, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Spy is hitting VWAP here. Still like an entry around 900. Oh yeah, there you go, Griffin, long 900, Dan. Yeah, still like that. Spy getting through VWAP here. The turn VWAP is volume weighted average price. You can think of it as like a moving average that uses volume of transactions to give you an average of what participants are finding, like, I don't know, just the average price participants are willing to transact at for the day, essentially. So a lot of people use that as support or resistance, or under VWAP you want to stay on the short side, above VWAP you can long, or I like playing break and retest of VWAP. But I really want to take trades off of it based off the futures, not on the ETF. And so what I was just noting was SPY, the ETF, hitting its VWAP, which can cause just, you know, a little pullback or something. So let's see, we wicked down to what, 907-ish. Want to see here if SPY can really get above VWAP. Yeah, I'm a little trigger shy. You accidentally bought 5 NQ instead of 5 MNQ. I hope you closed it out instantly. And I hope you made a little bit of money on your way out. I feel like we've all made that mistake at some point. I'm not interested in shorts, Griffin, for the time being. This is rather bullish at the moment. I was wondering why you closed you out. I was wondering if you saw something. I mean, it wasn't like a ton of momentum, but it's a kind of a grind higher. Mike, taking the 2K and running, yeah. It's a happy accident. Glad it didn't go the other way on you. It's a nice, so far, a nice little break of VWAP there on SPY. Let's see if that can hold. I do like still a long side here. I'm stayed sidelined. Womp womp. Also longed my personal count at 98 and took it off for like a handful of, you know, 15 points or 20 points or something. And, you know, should have just left it alone. One OP has been in the bearish cycle for a while, and it may be starting to cross up here at the 0 line. So I think we hold above VWAP there on SPY, and I'd probably buy some pullbacks. Tom, you gotta be okay taking an L. I think if you get comfortable taking a loss, you won't be so quick to move to break even, and then you can really grab more of the upside. All right, nice push, nice push. Wish I stayed in that trade. 60 points. That would have been a monster trade on that account. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. ES now to VWAP. ES is only down 0.8%. V-shape for the win. There you go, Joe. That's what you wanted. You wanted that all morning. You got it. Well done. Very nice. Thanks, Small. I'm liking it too. Am I feeling FOMO now? Well, I don't know. There's a few good spots that, you know, would have been nice to be in on, but I caught a little piece on my personal account, so I feel okay. I want to see ES pop through VWAP. Let go of the retail stuff and trade ICT concepts. Well, I hate to break it to you, but ICT concepts are retail. Did I say that? Hang on. It's also weird to say that when I'm up like 1100 on the day, but go off, I guess. Nice hitting the VWAP there. Subsequent pullback from it. Late longs are being punished. Spy retesting VWAP from above. Good job, Joe. I feel like I'm pulling back a pit bull on a leash. And he just started licking some grass blades or something instead. Griffin long for 25. Yeah, I don't hate it. Let's see if we can get back up there. Nice spread. Glad you got the bread. Want to make sure we don't have another leg down. So that's the potential to give us a little knife. I think we get back above this level here, this line 952-ish, should be good. Otherwise, I'm still a little cautious here. It's a little bear flaggy still, but if we can get a little higher, should be all right. All right, here's 952. Guys, I don't really think we need to argue about ICT and stuff. I think it's a waste of your energy. If ICT helps you understand price and how to be profitable, then that's fine. Good. I'm glad something helped you trade better. Just leave it at that. But I don't think there's any use in really arguing about it. Just no one's infallible, right? Just learn what you can to help you get better. What's up, Parker? How you doing? Ashley, I know I haven't. I haven't heard of that guy. All right, so up into the 52 level I mentioned. Still looks a little dicey. What's up, Juan? How you doing? Some things look pretty good about the long side. Holding VWAP on SPY. Fix, decently off of its highs. Again, Rocket, like if it helps you understand price action, that's great. A lot of times, people that learned ICT, like Grizz or something, he'll have levels, and a lot of times they're not going to be so dissimilar from my levels, and I'm looking at something different. But all it is just a way to understand price action. So whatever helps you do that. Cup and handle. Yeah. I might try. How long it feels so... kind of run into some trouble here. So I'm not super excited about it yet. I mean... Price is lethargic. Yeah, that's a good way to put it, Midnight. That's what makes me a little less excited. That and this traffic to the left here. But I would not be surprised to see us get up to VWAP in the next probably hour, like over lunch. But I did want us to see us really hold above this level, and it's just been... Look at these stupid ass candles. Yeah, this looks like a little bit rolly. Come on down to 900 with this. Joe, you're feeling wild right now. I mean, I hope I'm wrong with this beautiful Crayola line. I hope it's just go back up here. I think if we pop 60s, I would try long. It is just a rejection area. That Crayola might have been more onto something here, actually. I'm gonna short Joe, sorry. You're short 62 on ES. Wish you luck. All right, good luck. We get the move lower on ES, and I'm pretty sure I'll get the move on NAS, so we'll both be in the green. Froggy, your day got a bit better. You found a giant puffball in the park. Wow. I don't even know what that is. Oh, it's a mushroom? All right. Well, cool. So what I don't like about the short, 5 minutes still looks like some somewhat bullish consolidation. Spy's still sitting on VWAP. And have not yet got the momentum moved down, so we shall see. I might just kill this early. I don't really want to sit in consolidation. Yeah, stop at 980 is a little too rich for my blood on this trade. I don't like it that much. You know, I'd rather just kill it early for a loss. Rachel says kill it early and go for a walk. That does sound like Rachel. There's a nice push. I really want a nice close with it. I don't just want a wick. All right. Oh, I'm gonna just probably grab a few points here at the very least. I would like to see us test 900 though. Let's get some momentum. Push, 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 push. You can do it. Don't be shy. Nice. A trail. All right. Little bag there, not bad. Cool. 1,500 or so, a little under, but pretty good day. You know, there's definitely opportunity to overtrade. I was glad I didn't do that. Opportunity to chase, didn't really do that either. So I'm pretty pleased with the session. I think that was the major, you know, giving back a little bit of profit there. But again, I think the setup was good enough, and you have to be able to be willing to like risk something to make something, right? So pretty good day. We'll get back after it tomorrow. Again, if you haven't yet, just subscribe to my new, it's trading only videos, post some trade recaps and stuff. I'll try to post maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Yeah, pretty solid day. A little bag on my personal account as well. So feeling pretty good. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.